I need to replace the interlock switch on my Husqvarna Lawn tractor model YTH 2348. However, I don't know how to remove the brake pedal linkage to get to the switch to push it down for removal. Also, I can find no videos for this procedure.
http://s.sears.com/image/sears/pd_0071_176138 would equals 400 in amp. Hey equals 400. The switch pulls out. UDON and number 39. T need to remove the linkage. Get behind it, easier said than done, and push it out.
Tried it, however, it seems that it wants to go down. We got it down about 1/8 of an inch. It won't budge going up. The throttle rod blocks the way to get a good hold of the switch. Can I send a picture? That rod I referred to may be the parking brake rod. It runs vertically just in front of the switch. They added 2 picks.
The 2 pieces on the end snap out when installed and keep it from coming out. They can be held in with pliers or a screwdriver to let switch release. Or break it off. Good pictures.
I'll give it another shot in the morning. Thanks, Curtis.
Okay, thanks.
Gave it another shot just now. I broke out the 2 side pieces and they are above the surface of the plate, but it still won't budge upward. The bottom flange, see your picture, must be holding it in place, and no matter how hard I pull it won't come out. All the videos I watched, none for this model Husqvarna, however, show it going downward. I'm stumped.
Why can a number 39 T it go down?
There is a metal plate near the belt blocking it. I'll try to get another pick for you.
New one will have to come in from the bottom. New one will have to come in from the bottom.
3 picks, 1 and 2, looking on a straight line toward the underside of switch location 3, showing the side snaps disengaged. Coming in from the bottom is what I thought, but I'm unsure what parts to remove to get to the opening to insert the new switch. That's why I went to your site. Couldn't find anything showing a Husqvarna. Just Craftsman. Any thoughts?
All should come out the same. Best thing you could do is to get the deck out of the way.
I'll drop the mower deck tomorrow and see what's there to remove, but it's definitely not the same as the Craftsman video. Do you have access to any other sites?
No. Sorry.
Okay, I guess we're done. I'm right back where I started. Thanks for your time.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.